So today's video is going to talk a little bit about how you're going to do this paper toss experiment. So I made a little data sheet for you, for me, so I can track things. So I've got one column that says cup lands open end up, one column that says cup lands open end down, and one column that says cup lands on its side. Now our activity says today that we're going to toss the cup 100 times, and then we're going to record, and we're going to try to get an experimental probability for 100 times. And then the question asks later on, how many do you think it would happen based on 1,000 and a couple of other different types of things. Now, I've never done anything with a cup before, so theoretical probability, obviously there are three things that can happen, but I would think that an experiment's going to tell us a lot more about this, and it's going to depend a little bit upon the cup. So I picked a cup up today, so I just had this, and I just want to show you a little video. So I'm just going to go ahead and toss this in the air. Oops, and that one didn't land properly, so wow, and the first one land open up and down. So I know I apologize, this live video, so I'm just going to put a tally mark there. Ooh, wow, I'm doing pretty good. Opened end up, so I have a tally mark there. And then one on the side, I kind of had a bad throw there. Another one on its side. Ooh, that was close. Another one on its side. Another one on its side. And then I'm going to keep doing this. So I'm going to go ahead and try to keep track for my 100. Another one on its side. Another one on its side. So you get the idea. Keep track of your results. And then there'll be a link on the bottom of the activity on the Google form today. And I'm just going to go over to my computer here. You're going to get access to this. So I have already entered in. You can actually enter in some information. You can actually type in, I'm going to have a place where you can put your initials and then type in the value for what it was opened end up. So this one is just an example one. I don't know if you can see it. It's a 12 and then a 70 and an 18. I don't think those are real data, but I was just typing in to make sure my chart is. So just fill in those three numbers below, and this pie chart will actually help us to understand our experimental probability as we increase the number of trials. Thank you very much. I hope you do enjoy this. I'm looking forward to seeing a lot of data on this chart.